Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello dear guys, my name is Azmat Ali and recently I am working as lecturer in mathematics at Government Shalimar Postgraduate College, Pakistan. I am going to start a new course, that is complex analysis for graduate students. So I welcome you all in this course. In this course, we will discuss following topics. Firstly, we will discuss about basic concept of complex numbers, in which I will discuss about modulus, arguments, conjugate, geometrical interpretation of complex numbers, polar form of complex number, etc. Second one, we will discuss limit continuity and differentiability of complex valued functions. Then we will move to concept of analytic functions. Then we will discuss transcendental functions and complex integrations. Then we will discuss here power series and related theorem like as Maclaurin theorem, Taylor theorem, Laurent theorem, Abel theorem, etc. Next one, we will discuss singularities and calculus of residues. In our discussion, the important topic of complex variable is contour integration. Next, we will discuss expansion of function and analytic continuation. Conformal mapping, elliptic function is also an important topic of complex analysis. And there are here some extra topics that will be under discussion. That is the bilinear transformation, topological consideration, Cauchy theory, uniform convergence and infinite products, entire function. The books that I will follow here: H.S. Kasana, Complex Variables, Theory and Application, M.R. Spiegel, Complex Variables. Third one is Complex Variable with Application by A. David Wunsch. So these are the course content of complex analysis that we will discuss one by one. If you found my videos are helpful for you, kindly like, share and subscribe my channels. Okay, take care. Allah Hafiz.